You will need to use this metal piece from the old actuator, so make sure you clean it real good. Grab the spring with the longer hook this way and insert the hook on the metal piece hole and let it hang. Grab this plastic piece and put it on the metal piece like this. Turn it around and let the spring hang through the plastic piece. Line up the spring like this and hold it with your thumb. And slide this other plastic piece like this. While holding the spring in place, turn the assembly around. Grab the spring with a needle nose pliers and set it in place right in this little hole. And there you have it. That's the way you put it together. Now the lift switch actuator is ready to be mounted in the machine.